Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, hold it for a second and the recent should appear. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, it is even easier. Simply tap on this square button right here. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. If you want to, you can close them just by swiping like that. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend to simply go to the very left of the list and tap on clear all, and thanks to this you can close all of them with only one click. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.